So guys, today we're going to talk about the market structure, support and resistance. How are we going to know the direction of the market? Okay, first I'll keep it short so that you guys can understand. I'm not going to explain everything right now. Okay, first we're going on a chart. Let's delete all these charts so that you guys can see and I can make it along. Okay, we are going to remove the drawings. Okay, but we are not going to. All right, so this is a market. This is market. Okay, so what is the market structure? This is a market structure. Left leg, right. This is right leg. These are tops. Okay, and here your neckline sets, but in this one we hardly need a neckline, so we are going to call it a double top. Okay, if the market is like this, then we are going to call it a head and shoulders, and our neckline would be like this. Okay, and this is left leg, this is right leg, this is the head, this is left shoulder, this is right shoulder. Okay, so if the market is like this, what are we going to call it? We are going to call it a triple top. This is left leg, this is right leg. Here somewhere our resistance going to be sitting. Okay, so here's where our resistance would be sitting. Okay, then after that we have a double top. Like I told you, let me draw it again. Let me draw this, then this. What else do we have? Yes, we have another pattern which many people don't know about it. Okay, what is this? This is called Kosomodo pattern. Okay, many people call it head and shoulder pattern, but this is not a head and shoulder pattern. This is head and shoulder pattern. This is triple top, this is double top. Okay, and if you invert them, they would be sitting like this: left leg, right leg, this is the base, the legs finish here. So this is where the pattern finishes. Okay, same goes for this triple bottom. Then we have, what to say, this inverted Kosomodo pattern, right? This is where this pattern finishes. Okay, so many people don't understand this. Okay, so now as I have told you about the patterns, okay, now let's go to the market movement, how the market moves. Many people are like, this is market movement, this is market movement, we draw lines like this, right? This is all bullshit. Till when I was learning this way, this was totally bullshit. There was nothing surprising, interesting. Then I changed my way. My basically strategy is totally different from others. You won't be finding anyone who is trading like this. Okay, let me explain you how I chart, how I make my charts. Okay, all right. So for me, the market movement is totally different. It's like this: market goes up, market goes down, market goes up, then it goes down, and what it does, it breaks these two tops. Okay, so this is the market move. This is the market movement for me. So when this area is broken, this area is broken, I am going to sort out where the resistance is sitting. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to buy here. Okay, why are we going to buy here? We're going to buy here only on breaking this top. Okay, if it don't break this top, then what are we going to do? We are going to move with a pattern. Like I told you, this is Kosomodo. This is our left leg, right leg, and this is our profit area. the area where we're supposed to take the profits. Okay, anyways, so how are we going to mark our supports and resistances? Okay, how I do it, let me explain you. I do it like this: market goes up, market goes down, market goes up, it goes down, I sold here, okay, it went up, hit my stop loss, no problem, it's coming back, I'll buy here. This should be the stop loss. I use $5 stop loss. Sometimes it hits, sometimes it don't, and catch the whole move. That's what I always do. Okay, anyways, so according to this formula, let me mark the charts. Okay, but before marking the charts, let me tell you another thing. This is the candle here, right? This candle, red candle. Okay, this one is, let me make a green candle. This is my green candle. Okay, then what it does, we have another red candle, we have another red candle that is engulfing it, and it's making it like this. So what are we going to expect now? We are going to expect a green candle coming to this area. All right, a green candle. Okay, a green candle touching this area. Okay, here we're going to sell. Yeah, okay, if we don't and it closes above or wicks, whatever it does, yeah, so what are we going to do? We are going to hit stop loss, then we are going to buy with, we are going to buy here. Okay, let me change the color again for you. Okay, we are going to buy this area. Okay, let's mark it on the charts. Now we're going to our charts. What are we going to start with? We are going to start with gold. Once I'll make them, you'll understand how the market moves, and the best thing you'll see would be everything would be sitting just like we want. Okay, now let's drag this one down. What do you see here? Yeah, this was our line, this is our left shoulder, this was our sell area, market touch here, market dropped. Once this resistance is broken, see this broke, see this one, it broke this resistance, means the market wants to go down, definitely. Okay, so what happened here, we had another resistance here, so we will mark this one. It came to this area, it's touched here, and if we had sold, we would have our stop loss sitting over here, definitely, and we would be seeking for sell. And see, this is the leg here, this leg finishes, this touched, and we had profits. Okay, all right, so now let's get to the charts. How are we going to make support and resistance? Okay, but before that, let me show you another thing. We are going to mark this candle, we are going to mark this candle, we are going to mark more candles, like I am going to grab these two candles as well. Okay, and this looks nice too. So what would I be doing? Yeah, I would be like this. Okay, and this is on 2359, this is 234, so I'll bring it down like this. This would be like $5, and the stop loss here means 56 to 80, it can be $14, but you can see it's on a, we're sitting on a daily chart, so when we'll be trading on smaller charts, it would be easy for us. Now let's draw the lines. All right, so we are going to get this here, we are going to get another one in this area, yeah, then we are going to get this area, this, then again we're going to get this area. And if we go back, where would I be putting? I'll be putting this market went up, market went down. Looks a bit confusing here, so I'll bring it down like this, and I'll be bringing it like here. Why? Because this is a double bottom, okay? And if you call it custom model, I won't be wrong. Why? This is left shoulder, this is head, and this is the right shoulder. Your TP is this. Once broken, it comes down here. It can be here on the top. Sometimes it just retests. Sometimes it just retests the broken resistance. Okay, like this one, and it carries on. Okay, all right. Let's go back. Here we have another pattern. This is our shoulder, this is our shoulder, this is our shoulder. Yeah, if you make it like this, okay, this was our sell zone, it failed. Yeah, so I'm going to mark it here like this. Okay, now we go and mark it. You will see what's happening in the future, how the market retraced these areas. We can do like this, and we had little over on the downside. So I'll mark this shoulder. I'll make it a bigger zone so that I know I'm not going to take multiple buys here. Okay, all right, now if I go up, I see a shoulder. See again, what is this? This is a head and shoulder again, right? So what are we going to do? Definitely we're going to mark it, but again, okay, well, let me show you another thing. Just check this on how big it is, this candle, right? So what if we mark it here? This was before the move. If we, yeah, okay, come to me. Okay, this, we have marked this. So what is going? We are going to sell here. What if we had sold it here? Sorry, I just dropped my hand freeze. Okay, so this was our shoulder. See, so we marked the red candle. Yeah, so what happened here? Just watch it. Yeah, it touched, it dropped to this level because we had another inverted head and shoulders here, and it flew up. We are still, our stop loss would be here, so we won't be taking a trade like this. We would be moving our stop loss here or maybe mid of it. So if it was sitting in the mid of it, no, it's all good. If it was sitting over here, then definitely we had hit our stop loss. Okay, so now as we have marked the support and resistances, we're going to look for more supports and resistances. You can see here, this was our pattern. The pattern, it failed here a little down. It was supposed to come down to this area. Yeah, it was supposed to come down to this area. Let me draw so that you can see it clearly. It was supposed to come down to this area and this area, but this candle never came and it failed. So where are we going? We are going to take a buy here on this line, and if we had taken a buy, boom, we had profits. Where are the profits? Let me show you again. These are the profits. Okay, so that's how we mark it. So for today, you're going to see the market like that. Okay, once you start it, it will be easy. Till then, I'll be just showing you the market areas that I marked. you can see it here. Okay, there is a nice pattern. What is this? Let me show you. Let's bring it here. Okay, what do you see? Left leg. Yeah, market broke the resistance. This was our sell area. Market retested, it went down. Now the market is still retesting this area. What are we going to do? We are going to make a trend line. So if it breaks, we know either it's going there or up, or it's coming back here. Okay, another thing you have to understand, only once this drags for $3 to $5. Once retested like here, I am not going to take another sell here. Why? No, it's not a strong zone like before. Okay, so this is what I had to talk about, and we will be talking about more on Zoom next time. Thank you for watching.